What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my tiny little automotive channel. I got another quick little DIY project for the NSX. One of the pretty much the only thing that bothers me about that car so far is it does not have a cup holder. So to fix that, I have read some stuff on forums and guys have put this cup holder in their cars and made it work. This is out of an Acura RSX from I think like 02 to 06. I just got this off of eBay. It's gonna need a little bit of trimming, I think, just down the edge here, just because it probably just, I mean, a fraction of the material needs to come off to fit in there, but possibly these things here on the bottom just to make it flush. And supposedly this will slide right in there and fit pretty snug and will solve my problem. Now, of course, the downside is the armrest, door, top, whatever you want to call it, has to stay up when you have a drink in there, but you know, I can live with that for a little bit, you know, to get me to Cars and Coffee or whatever and have my coffee cup in there. Not a big deal. And then I can store stuff in there and put the lid back down. I think it'll clear this just fine. So I'm gonna get it test fit in the car and see what needs to be trimmed on the top and bottom there, and then we'll trim it down and stick it in.
That's what she said.
It actually fits pretty decently as far as the width. Obviously I've got to knock these tabs off so they're flush with the bottom, and I think it might work like that. Let me go trim those off and we'll check it again and see what else we have to do. First thing I did was I pried these little tabs off each corner. Just get a screwdriver in there and just bend it up a little bit. Be careful because they will come off and they will go flying, so keep your hand cupped over it. Next thing I did was just cut these tabs, and I just took a pair of dikes and just literally just cut them kind of flush right there. I think I'm still gonna have to kind of grind this part down a little bit, but we're gonna fit this back in one more time and see what we got. That is a much better fit. We're still off just a smidge, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim these bottom pieces down flush, and we'll try it one more time. That might work. I may have to take just a smidge off the edge, but we're getting super close. Here's the finished product. Actually fits in there really well. You can see on mine, I actually notched just a little bit so I could slide this all the way back and it would clear that little hinge, and perfect. Pretty easy little mod, I guess you could call it. So just, here's what I did. I just ground off the plastic here on all four corners after I removed those clips, so it's flush. On mine, I noticed that, it's hard to see, but this actually kind of slopes to one side. So I decided to use the high side towards my passenger side and have it slope down towards me on the driver's side. And then again, I notched mine so that it would clear that little hinge on the glove box, on the door, whatever. That'll work perfect for what I need it for. And simple little mod. Again, this is a cup holder out of an 02 to 06 Acura RSX. So if you need a cup holder, this is a simple way to do it. I think I paid maybe 14 bucks on eBay for mine. So there you go. Cup holder for the NSX. Stay hungry, stay foolish.